Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Malin Havefjell, and in today's video I'm going to talk about the different bookkeeping softwares that we have here in Sweden and my 3 best tips that I want to share with you and my thoughts around these. There are of course a lot of different softwares on the market and you are free to choose whatever you want, but if you want to know my top 3, then this is the video for you. So I will start with recommend a free software. At least when I record this video, this software is still free. That you can pay for it and then you get a little bit more features in the software. But if you are choosing between manually or you want to do your bookkeeping in a software and you don't want to pay for it, I would choose Capitas. That is a software that I recommend for those who maybe you're a small company, maybe you don't have, and when I say small company, then I mean you don't have so many transactions each month, so it's not so much work for you to do the bookkeeping. Then Capitas, the free software, would I think you would be happy with that one. You just need to have like a little startup in the beginning, and if you feel unsure, you can of course book a meeting with me and I can help you start that up and make the settings so it will work for you. If maybe you have more transactions each month and you want to be able to grow your business within the software and maybe in the future add more features to the software, I would look at either Fortnox or Swedish. Those softwares are the one that I see have good support, and that is the one thing that I really enjoy, and you can also translate them to English if you want that, if you rather have your bookkeeping in English. What's the difference between these two? I say you get more or less the same thing with them, depending on how interested you are in bookkeeping and taxes and rules, the Income Tax Act and in VAT and things like that, and how much you want to learn. That is what I would say maybe are the reason for you to choose one or the other. In Swedish, for example, that is a software that has been on the market for, well, I actually don't know when they started, but in my opinion in this software that it's built for those who have a little bit more accounting knowledge. And if you are interested in this, I think you would like to work in that software because you can make adjustments, settings in each transaction if you want to. But the downside with that, and what I can see if you are not that into bookkeeping rules and things and then the taxes, then this setting might mess things up a little bit. Maybe I have seen that for other company owners who want to do their bookkeeping because it's so easy to make those changes, and maybe then it's better to have a software that is more like fixed, because then you more or less use templates and you don't make these small adjustments. In my experience, Fortnox is easier for those who they run their company, they want to be able to do their own bookkeeping, but they don't want to learn so much. They just want to have I do like this. Then Fortnox is the one that I would recommend. So my top 3, if you want to pay for a software, bookkeeping software, I would choose Fortnox. If you're a little bit more interested in actually learning more about the taxes and bookkeeping, then I would go with Swedish. And if you just want to have you just want to have a bookkeeping that follows the rules and you don't want to do it manually, then I would go with the free version of Capitas. That is my top 3, and I hope you like this. And if you want to get more advice, what would be best for you, then you can of course book a meeting with me. You do that on my website www.havefjall.se, and I also have other videos where I discuss more about how to choose how to think when choosing a bookkeeping software. I hope you like this video, so give it a thumbs up if you did, and also subscribe to my channel so you can learn even more about running a business and bookkeeping here in Sweden. Bye bye.